Hey, Bernice. Bernice, are you alive? Bernice, wake up, honey. I got you some lettuce here. Here, some lettuce. Let's show everybody that you're alive and you'll want to eat, huh? Let's eat. Come on, Bernice. She only has one leg. He, she, I can't tell. But I took it out of the cage where the other ones were at and brought it in here so I can try to mend it. I put peroxide on the hole. It's not very big, so it should heal pretty easy. Just gotta learn how to walk and not give up, and I'm just gonna keep picking on it until it starts moving around and keep it alive, because it deserves a chance to live too. You know? It needs to live just like anybody else. There you go, honey. There's your food. Yeah. Don't. It's okay. We're working on you. It's only been, what, overnight? We'll get you taken care of. If you're a girl, you're Bernice. If you're a boy, you're gonna be Bernard. Anyway, I think that from Jason on So the Land. If anybody knows Jason or don't know him yet, go check him out. So the Land. And Jared Crocker for the one that has the one-legged rooster, and his twin brother Jason building a tiny house, and their brother Matt, the real Matt Crocker, the R-E-E-L. Check out these channels and tell them that Marcia from Kansas Misfit sent you there, and tell them about my one-legged bird, you know, so that way maybe I can get some advice on how they kept theirs alive, how Jared kept his alive. Anyway, I probably made this long enough, and I want to say I see you later. I hope you have a wonderful day, and smash the like button if you enjoy the content of my video. And if you are new to and just checking this out, please hit the subscribe button so you can get all my videos that I put out, because I don't want you to miss anything. And share it with all your friends on Facebook and Instagram or wherever you do your socializing, because I think it's interesting that people should know that birds and pigs and rabbits and whatever animals you people raise for food is important, because you need to have food in your life. And if you don't eat meat, there's the garden food as well. Build a garden and raise good food. That way you know it's healthy. You know it's something that you grew, you raised, and you can do it. And I'd like to say thank you for watching. Smash the like button, and then come back around and see how Bernice or Bernard is doing. Say bye-bye, Bernice. Catch y'all later. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Ta-ta for now.